You said you wanted more unboxing videos. Let there be more unboxing videos! Woo! Alright, welcome back folks, and thank you for tuning in. You can see a big pile, well not a big pile, several boxes over here. I got, came in all these, well this one came in a few days ago. I waited for these, and this one came in today. I think this one might come in. This one came in yesterday, I think. This one came in a few days ago, and this one came in a few days ago. This one came in today. Anyways, you want more unboxing videos, alright? I'm going to get you. I got to do something with these couple of guitars here so you can come closer. And we're going to tear into these and see what they are, man. I know what one of them is. Hold on.
Well, we got blasted, folks. Here's what it looks like in the winter wonderland. I don't know, we got probably almost a foot of snow. You can see what it looks like on how it clings to the trees and the power lines. There's one there really low across my driveway. I can't get my truck underneath that one right there I'm talking about. It's hanging down really low. But that's what the winter wonderland looks like on the new camera. This is on the new camera. Show you what it looks like. Yeah, winds are blowing a little bit. There's great big snow on the ground. Not great big. This is a little one compared to what we usually get. Hold on.
Alright, I should have cleared all this off before I turned the camera on. Let's get right to it, man. Like the type of tools I was using. Got some truss rods. Today seems like the day that every guitar needs a truss rod worked on. I don't know if I can tell you this guy's whole name or not, so let's just call him Troy. Just Troy. That's all. Got to be careful here. I don't dox anyone. Awful bad at doxing people sometimes. And then I have to edit it out of the video. Just tear it, yeah. Edit it out of the video when I do that. Oh, he sent a love letter, I think. Normally I wouldn't stick my hands down in there until I looked in there, but I know this guy, he's a patron. And I wanted to keep his address in case I find that CD. I think this is a CD of the project he's working on. Bluegrass One-on-One Recording Sessions, Volume 1. I'll show it to you. I get to looking at stuff, man. I forget to show you. Gotta hold it sideways so the light don't glare. Those lights over there is really bright, man. And there's a look at the back if you want to look at the songs. Pike County Breakdown, Old Spinning Wheel, Spanish Grass. I know some of those. Some of them I'm not familiar with. Troy, thank you, man. I'll definitely listen to this. I don't know if I can read this to you guys or not. It's pretty long, so I'll read this later and we'll come back to that, okay? Alright, this box has been here for a few days. Have no idea what it is. It's from a dude named Scott, and that's all I'm going to say because I don't have his permission to tell you his name. So we're just going to let it go at Scott for right now. Troy, thanks again, man. Wow. I knew this box was pretty heavy. Oh, I know what this is. Yeah, I've been wanting one of these, man. Y'all ever hear of a ToneRite? ToneRite accelerates the play-in process, enhances new and old instruments alike. Quiet, near silent operation. I wondered about that. Safe and gentle on your instrument. Now incorporating elastone feet. Improved power harmonic controlled. I'm sure some of you are probably saying, well, what the hell is it? We're going to do some tests with this, so stay tuned. Not on this video, but I mean we're going to do some testing with it. It's a ToneRite. It's for acoustic guitars. Here's what it looks like. There again, you gotta hold it sideways so the light don't glare. And here's the control. This just plugs in. Oh, this plugs in, and then you got a control right here. I guess that, yeah, turns it on. And what it does, you stick these legs. If you can see these feet, see how they stick down. Stick those between your guitar strings on your guitar top, back near this bridge, and turn it on, and it vibrates the hell out of that guitar. And I guess you can adjust it for more intense or less intense. It says it's quiet. I figured it'd be a really noisy thing. But yeah, man, Scott, thank you, buddy. You guys stay tuned to the channel. We'll take one of my Martin guitars and I'll play it for you just the way it is, and then I'll run this on it for a couple of weeks or a week or so, and let it vibrate the crap out of that guitar, and then I'll play it for you again. You can see if it made any difference or not. Pin 4. This is from Amazon. I have no idea in the world what this might be, man. It just says it's from Amazon. This one's been here for a while, and I got no clue in the world who this is from. It's rather heavy and clunky. No idea in the world who sent this. Now, I don't want to expose their address. They probably wouldn't like that. I think that's the right side to open. Got to be very much careful. I have no idea what this is. People call up Amazon and order stuff and have it sent to me. Check it out. I knew what it is now. I bought that. Some of you guys told me about that. Thank you for it. I wish I'd have had it when I was taking the pick guard off of that hummingbird guitar. I've never used this. Pro Power Goo and Adhesive Remover. Surface Safe. Thank you guys, whoever you were. I ordered this off of eBay like 2 months ago, man. Well, whenever y'all told me about it, I ordered it right then and just got it. It's been here like, I don't know, 3 or 4 days or something like that. God, I'll make a bigger corner over here with more room. Sorry about that, folks. Alright, this one, I'm going to hold it up here so you can't see any addresses. I think I know what this is. I think. I purchased something myself for you guys' viewing pleasure. Really, I did. And I think that's this box right here. I think. I gotta keep that side away from the camera because it's got all the info, mailing info on it. I do believe this is what I ordered for your viewing pleasure. Man, I might as well throw it all down here and make a big mess. What do we have? Well, we got a cord. It's a standard little cord. I see another little cord with a power supply hooked to it, just like the one I have over there. I think it looks identical to it. And the big deal is, well, they packed it pretty good. Looks like. Let me put this knife away. I'll forget, man. I'll cut myself. Wow. I don't know. They take the shit out of it. Afraid I'm going to drop it getting in there. Oh, okay, this is a bag. I'll see now. Said the blind man that couldn't talk. I thought it was just wrapped up in there. And there we have a brand new camera for your viewing pleasure. I don't know how this is compared to the one you're watching right now. I got 4 cameras, man. Alright? 4 of them. 5 now. The old JVC I was using before, I can't get the data off of the camera onto the computer. You know, where it hooks to the USB port. The end that hooks into the camera went bad. And I've got another one, I can't even think of what name it is. The audio, it don't have any audio on it. That's a CD, remote control, and an extra battery. And we don't need the CD. I never read instructions anyway. Once I sent batteries in that remote. 2 camera batteries. There's what the size of them. The camera you're watching right now watching this off of is a Sony HD, what is that thing, man? HDR10, I think. HDR10, I think that's right. I'd have to look on the camera to see it, man. And that would disturb you if I do that. I always save this crap. I got a box over there, I'll put it in. For packing guitars in. Looks like a pretty nice outfit. That's supposed to come off of there. Yeah, it just pulls off. This is like a charging base. This is a Sony, this is actually a very old camera. A friend of mine had it. He never used it. I said, man, I need a camera because I've got 4 of them. And oh, it's got the touch screen. The camera you're watching there now has got a touch screen in it too. But I think it's a higher model Sony than this one. I'm trying to get you some numbers here. Wow, what is it, man? I don't even remember what it is. Hard disk drive, 12 times zoom. It's quite a lot smaller than that camera you're looking at me through now. Wow, I don't know, man. Maybe if I turn it on, it'll say what it is. I assume that's the on switch if it's like that one. Sony. That's all it says. It's done booted up and ready to take pictures, man. There's the camera you guys are watching through right now. I can't see it for the light, but there it is. And I think it's a little bit higher model than this one is. This is like an SR80, I think is what it was. Let me see if I can find it. God, it's got to be on here somewhere. Well, I don't know, man. I'm not seeing the make number that I ordered or bought. Anyways, these are kind of old cameras, but this one, he said it was like new, and it is, man. I said, I'll buy it off of you, and I did, and here it is. So, I don't know, man. I'll have to put in the, oh, here it is. It's a DCR-SR80 is what it looks like. That's the number. Yeah, that's the one I remember. Like I say, it's a cheaper camera, but man, look at it. It's like brand freaking new all over. I'll show you how quick it boots up here. See that? It's booted and ready to go, man. TV on TV. Well, I have 2 cameras at work now. Like I say, I've got 3 in there that don't. I wonder if there's anything on this. How do you make it play? I don't know how you make this one play. If it's touchscreen, menu, yeah, it is touchscreen. Wow. Exposure, fader, focus, spot meter, spot focus, setup. I just want to see if there's anything on the camera. I don't know how to do that. Easy mode, wide, display battery info, backlight. I don't know, it didn't seem to do anything. I think these batteries are interchangeable with that camera that you're looking at me now through. Battery seems to be fully charged. Maybe that makes it play. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. I don't know, man. Let me film a little bit on it. And then we'll know it's got something on it. Wow, it's got a wicked zoom. And I wonder if that lens that you guys are looking at me through, that's a wide angle lens. I hear cue ball wanting to go. Stand by. And that was in record mode. How do you play it back? No idea, man. That camera you're looking at me through, it's got a play button right here in the corner. It's touchscreen too. And you just push that button to play back any... Oh, there it goes.
They will know it's got something on it.
Yeah. Check that out. Okay, so that was a play button. I think that's the only thing on there though. The other one I can actually look at the files without going right into playing it.
They will know it's got something on it.
I don't know.
Wow, it's got a wicked
I
zoom.
don't know what that is. Anyways, you're going to be seeing a lot of videos with this new camera. Hopefully it won't tear up like all the rest of mine has. Alright, Troy's love letter. He says it is okay for me to tell you his name. Well, that is his name, really. His name's Troy. Troy, thank you for the CD, man. Scott, thank you. And who am I leaving out? I bought this, and Scott sent this. Wow, so much stuff I can't even absorb. I just say thanks to everyone, man. This is kind of long. I'll hold it up there, and maybe you can pause the video. I think I'll get it all in there. There's no phone numbers or anything like that. I've got guitar cords and extension cords and crap all over the place here. I need to change something, throw a rug over it. Troy said if anybody was wanted, like the sounds of these songs on here, if you wanted a copy, there was an email address on here. Let me give that to you. You may want to order one of these and check Troy out yourself. Email clearbrookstudio@gmail.com. That's the word clear, the word Brooks, the word studio, all together is one. Clearbrook Studio, all together one word, @gmail.com. Recorded 2019. So it's practically brand new. I hope you guys are all having a good year. Man, it's a way better year for me this year than it was this time last year, if you remember. Way better, man. Well, look. Christmas in 2020 already. Thank you guys for watching. Those of you who wanted another unboxing video, here you go, man. I'm going to get on something here. I've got a couple guitars on their way here right now. I think I'm going to be able to show you both of them. And I'm going to do a little bit more to that hummingbird too. I just thought of something the other day that I need to do that guitar. The owner said I could keep it for another week just to let it settle down. But I thought of something else that needs done to it. Stay tuned. I'll bring you along for that. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Every one of you guys. All few people that send me stuff. Thank you. I am grateful to every single one of you. And thanks for the ones to come. I know there's some it's coming that's not here yet. I tried to hold off on this video till they got here, but they haven't made it yet. So I figured, well, I got enough stuff. I'll go ahead and make one video, and then if you want to see another one, say so in the comments, and I'll make another one when the rest of the stuff comes in. So thanks for watching. Cheers. See you next time. Woo!